Today I'm making a refreshing raspberry ice latte that's perfect for a hot summer day. Everything starts with raspberry ice cream. I scoop a generous amount into a mixing cup to create the sweet fruity base of the drink. Next, I pour in some cold milk. This will give the latte its smooth and creamy texture. Now it's time to blend everything together. A few seconds with the hand blender turns the ice cream and milk into a rich, velvety raspberry milkshake. With the base ready, it's time for the coffee. I fill the portafilter with freshly ground coffee, distribute it evenly, and tamp it firmly to create a level coffee bed. Good preparation is essential for a balanced espresso. The portafilter goes into the machine and it's time to pull the shot. Rich cremants and steady extraction are exactly what we are looking for. While the espresso is finishing, I pour the chilled raspberry mixture into the serving glass. Now comes my favorite part, slowly pouring the fresh espresso over the raspberry base. The hot coffee meets the cold, creamy mixture, creating beautiful layers before they blend together. A gentle stir brings all the flavors together into one smooth, refreshing drink with the perfect balance of bold espresso and sweet raspberry. This raspberry iced latte is incredibly easy to make at home and is a fantastic alternative to traditional iced coffee. Would you give it a try? Let me know in the comments, and if you enjoy coffee recipes like this one, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more. Bye!